Okay, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download Pixelmon in 2021. This works with a Microsoft account, a Mojang account, whatever account you have, but it must be Minecraft Java. You cannot play this, to my knowledge, on Bedrock or mobile or anything like that. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the first link in description. That's going to bring you to Minecraft Forge. You're going to go ahead and download this. You're going to look for the version 1.12.2. It's right here. You're going to click Installer. After you click installer, you're going to have an ad show up. Don't click on anything, but you have to wait for the top right ad to finish loading, and you click on skip. Once you click on skip, it's going to ask you to install. It's going to say keep if you want, because this type of file can harm your computer. You're going to keep anyway. I promise it's safe. Nothing bad about this. Then you're going to go ahead and minimize your window, take that file, and I drag it onto my desktop because I think that's the easiest. Next thing you're going to want to do is you want to click on the second link in the description. It takes you to this Pixelmon Reforged page. Same thing here. You're going to click on download. Don't click on anything. Again, ads popping up. Everything's popping up. You don't click on any of this stuff. You wait for the top right to finish. And then you click on skip. And that's going to start downloading in your bottom left. That's going to be your Pixelmon Reforged. So now you're just going to wait for this to finish downloading. Okay, you're going to click keep. And then it's done. So same thing. I'm going to just minimize my window a little bit and put it on my desktop. Next thing you want to do is you're going to want to install the Forge file. So that's the first file we put on the desktop. You're going to click on install client. Once it finishes downloading, it's going to go ahead and pop up like this. I'm going to click OK, and now you're free to open up your Minecraft launcher. Once you open your Minecraft launcher, you're going to go installations. You see it's going to say Forge here. You can just make a new one if you want. It doesn't really matter. You can name this one Pixelmon. When you put in the version, you're going to scroll down until you see 1.12.2 Forge. You're going to click down on more options, and you're going to go down here to Java arguments. The recommended amount is 2 GB of RAM. If you want to, you can increase it, and that will definitely improve the game overall. So I'm going to put mine to 4. And then you're going to hit create. Once you finish installing Forge, now we're going to take the Pixelmon mod and add it to your mod folder. So you type in the search bar %appdata%. That's going to bring up your roaming folder. Once you're in your roaming folder, you go to .minecraft, then you go to mods. If you don't have a mods folder, you can right click here, folder, and make a mod folder. But you click on my mod folder, and then this folder is empty. You're going to drag Pixelmon into the mod folder. This is your Pixelmon Reforged, the one that you downloaded. So you're going to go ahead and close out of that. Now you're going to load up Minecraft. You're going to go ahead and click on your Pixelmon and click play. Alright, and once you are in, now you can go to your mods, and to double check that you did everything correctly, you scroll down and you see Pixelmon. That should be there. Click on done, and you can do multiple things. You can go to a single player world, you can create your own world, or you can go to multiplayer and join a server. Just check it out in single player, create a new world. We're going to name this one Pixelmon. Create it. And once it's done loading up, as you can see, you can pick your starter. We're going to go with Bulbasaur. And we are in Pixelmon. You can take out your Pokemon, everything. See? Very cool. Alrighty guys, and that's about it. If you guys did enjoy the video, please don't forget to drop a like. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you are new. If you guys want to join and play Pixelmon with me, I do stream Pixelmon on Facebook.com/uso. So I will see you guys then. I will catch you guys another time.